Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new on my channel, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So I'm going out tonight. I'm going to a festival. There is this huge festival in my town that celebrates fall, so there will be concerts all around and wine and great food and everything, and I'm really excited. So I thought, since I'm doing my makeup already, why not film a video for you guys? And today I was thinking about doing a battle between these two over here. So this one I've already used and abused a lot. I've been using it for the past year every day. And this one I have actually never tried out at all. So I'm really excited to do this in this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so this is a Silisponge. It's made from silicone, so it doesn't absorb any product, and it's very bendable and squishy, and I like the texture of it. It's very smooth, so let me see if it's a dupe for the beauty blender or if it's in fact better or not. So here's how I'm going to do it. I have two little trays over here, and I'm going to put the same amount of product in each of these trays. So I'm going to test out which one uses more product, and then we're going to see the finish in the end, because that's also very important if there are streaks or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to apply some foundation on these trays and then we're going to see. By the way, I'm using this foundation. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I have two of them and I'm going to mix them up because one is too dark for me and one is too light. So okay, so these are the two trays I'm going to be using. I have roughly the same amount of product on each tray. So this side will be done with a Silisponge and this side with a beauty blender. So this is the tray I'm going to use with a Silisponge, and let's just get into it. So okay, it's leaving streaks a little bit. I'm going to try to dab it maybe and blend it out. We'll see if that works. I've purposely chosen this foundation. It's very full coverage, and so it's not that easy to blend out. If you want it to be flawless. Okay, this side is done. It did take a little bit of effort to blend it out. It wasn't that easy. This is the amount of product left. Now I'm using this tray and the beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend it all over. Sorry if I'm looking down, I have a mirror in front of me. Okay, so right off the bat I can say that this side has a little bit more coverage and I have a little bit more product left than on this side. But I still say that the Beauty Blender side wins. So it did use a little bit more product, but the finish is much better and the application was much easier. This one took a lot more effort and I just feel it's not blended. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to fix this side because I'm going out, so I don't want to look crazy. I was thinking about trying these applicators with the concealer as well, and yeah, let's do that. The concealer I'm going to be using today is this one. It's the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Effect Concealer, and this is the color number 1 Light. Okay, so maybe this will be better. Let me see. I'm going in. So far so good, but look at this. I just have much more control with a Beauty Blender, so this is not as easy. Don't get me wrong, this is not a bad tool, it's actually okay. Okay, so that blended out really nicely. Now I'm doing the Beauty Blender side. Okay, so this is much better. I don't even have to think about it. I don't even have to look in the mirror. I can look in the camera and talk to you and blend out my concealer. That's how good the Beauty Blender is. I could never do that with a Silisponge. Never ever. So yeah, this is not a bad tool, by the way. It's pretty good. It saves you some product, but it takes a lot more work to do your makeup, which I don't want. And I don't know. What do you think? Which side is better, this one or this one? Okay, so my final thoughts are that this is actually a good tool, but nothing can replace my Beauty Blender, and if I had to choose, I would always 100% choose the Beauty Blender. This one is good because it saves you some product, but you have to really work with it to make a flawless application, so I don't like that. And yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Share your thoughts down below if you have any questions or suggestions or opinions about these guys over here, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!